Hey guys, welcome to a brand new series. In this series, we're gonna make Minecraft in Minecraft. Yep, we're building the game from scratch using only redstone. But before we get fancy with all of that, we gotta start with the basics. In this series, we're gonna make Minecraft in Minecraft, of course. Now many people's brain will crash during this series. When that happens, I will recommend rewatching that video. Don't worry that it's gonna take a long time, because I plan to make my videos only about 2 to 7 minutes long. So that shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to use 3 mods: Carpet, World Edit and Redstone Tools. I also use some other mods. You can just download my Curseforge Modpack, the link is in the description. It's for version 1.18.2. I also use a Recource Pack called Modpack by Wings. All the links are in the description. Now we can start. But first, I want to say that it's my first time making my own series, so it isn't that high quality yet. But you can still learn something if you just don't click off. You need a lot of motivation to keep watching, but I know you can do it. Now enjoy. And by the way, don't skip this video if you think you already know the basics of redstone. There are a few things you probably didn't know yet. To create a new redstone world, first click create new world. Name it whatever you want. Make it a creative world, unless you want to build a survival. Set the difficulty to peaceful. Go to game rules, scroll down. Turn off all the spawning. Turn off all the block drops. And now turn off advanced time of day and update weather. Then click done and click more world options. Take generate structures off, make the wiggle type super flat, click customize presets, scroll down and click redstone ready. Now click use preset, done and create new world. Now you have a nice sandstone world where you can build with redstone in. Now we can really start. First, Redstone Dust. Redstone Dust is the basic building block of redstone. It conducts electricity, just like a wire. It can be powered by a lot of things, like this redstone torch. Redstone Dust can also power other things, like this redstone lamp. Redstone Dust can turn left, right and go up and down. Redstone Dust has signal strength. My texture pack shows the signal strength of a piece of dust. Redstone Dust signal strength slowly decays from 15 to 0. It starts at 15 and with every block traveled it loses 1 signal strength. When it's at signal strength 0, it doesn't power things anymore. So when you power it, it doesn't always reach your end goal. To make it reach your end goal, you can use the Redstone Repeater. A Redstone Repeater takes any signal strength from 1 to 15 at its back and now it puts a full 15 at the front. This looks perfect, but there is a catch. It takes 1 redstone tick or 1/10 of a second to update. This delay probably doesn't sound so bad, but don't think it's all perfect, because when this delay stacks up, 1 frame in our Minecraft game can take 5 hours to render for just 1 frame. Unlike Redstone Dust, repeaters can turn or go up and down, so keep that in mind. A cool feature most people don't know is that you can lock a repeater from the side using another repeater. This makes the repeater hold its last value. It can't change. That's basically a memory cell. Now let's talk about soft powering and hard powering. Redstone Dust does something to the blocks it touches. It soft powers them. Repeaters hard power blocks in front of them. Both these signals can be read at the back of a repeater. But what's the difference? Well, soft power blocks can't be read by Redstone Dust around it, while hard powered blocks can. This means you can hard power a block and get the signal on the other side, which means you can actually send signals through walls. Redstone Dust can read hard powered blocks when on top of the block and underneath the block. Alrighty, now you know everything I can tell you about Redstone Dust and Repeaters. Next episode we are gonna take a look at redstone torches. See you there.